A con artist donning multiple identities who weaved a web of deceit to bleed India financially. But time is up for Chinese Hawala operator Luo Sang, aka Charlie Peng. India Today's open source investigation team has dug out the Chinese national's shady deals and businesses. Ankit Kumar and Munish Pandey with these details.
Multiple raids, multiple locations. Delhi, Ghaziabad, Gurugram. At the center of a shock hawala racket is this man, a man of dual identity. He is named Charlie Peng on Indian documents, but investigators believe he is originally Luo Sang from China. The man, the Income Tax Department believes, holds the key to a covert multinational money laundering network, possibly linked to China. India Today's open source experts reviewed the suspect's official filings. Our scrutiny sheds new light on his India business. Official documents suggest Luo Sang, also known as Charlie Peng, floated at least 5 companies in the last 2 years in India. He controlled these firms both as acting director as well as majority stakeholder. Arrested earlier by Delhi Police's special cell in 2018, he somehow bailed himself out.
The Chinese national was arrested in 2018 over forged passport, Aadhaar card and PAN card, and later he was released on bail. But soon after coming out on bail, he incorporated many companies and extended his Hawala network.
Our examination of the suspect's virtual life revealed his lucid China connections. Luo's social media posts suggest that he studied at Jinling High School in Nanjing in China. He worked with a Chinese brokerage and investment bank as a fund manager until 2008.
Having a vast experience with a reputed international investment and brokerage firm, Luo Sang's profile was best suited to funnel large amount of unsuspected money via his business channels.
Luo also organized frequent charity events focused on Manipuri migrants through his companies. But investigating agencies suspect that he dispensed crores of rupees every day using his business network. China's hostilities against India may not be limited to the borders. Financial crimes in India through shady agents could also be one of the dragon's tactics this time around. Bureau Report, India Today.
I wonder how many Luo Sangs China has infiltrated into India who roam around our country pretending to be Indian citizens with Indian documents but are up to no good. This is typically what you expect the ISI to do. Now the Chinese Dirty Rigs Department is up to the same kind of nefarious designs. This is where I wrap up the news strike tonight. I hope you enjoyed our power-packed broadcast. I look forward to seeing you at 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. Till then, from all of us here, goodbye. Good night.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.